In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where videos are not loading on your iPhone. So whether you're having trouble playing videos from the Photos gallery or you're having issues playing videos from a certain website, I'm going to show you how we can fix these issues. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the settings application on your phone, and we're going to turn on airplane mode. Now you need to keep this mode enabled for around about 5 seconds, and then you can go in and turn it off like so. And once you've done that, we're then going to click on Wi-Fi and just ensure you have a stable connection to the internet. You can then come back over to the settings page, click on mobile service, scroll all the way down to the list of applications and click on show all, and just make sure that the Photos application is turned on and enabled. And once you've done that, you can try playing your videos and seeing if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, head back over to the settings application, scroll down and click on general, and then select iPhone storage. Now just ensure you have adequate storage space on your phone. Sometimes if you're running out of space, that could be another reason why your videos aren't playing, in which case you can just go and clear up some space on your device. So another thing you can try doing is force closing the Photos application. You can do this by scrolling up on your iPhone and then just scrolling up on the Photos app, and that's going to go ahead and force close it. Now if it's still not working, head back over to the settings application, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on apps, scroll down again until you see Photos, and then just click on the Photos application. Where it says optimize iPhone storage, we're going to change this to download and keep originals, and then you want to scroll down to autoplay and just disable this feature like so. And once you've done that, you can then try checking and seeing if that solves your issue. Now the last solution, if you've tried all of this and your videos still aren't playing, is just to open up the Photos gallery, click on the video that's not playing, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right hand side, click on duplicate, and then you should be able to go and open the duplicated video, and that one should now start playing for you. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.